To use Zelle in Capital One, start by logging into your Capital One mobile banking app or online account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section, where you will find the option to send money with Zelle. Before you can start using Zelle, you will need to enroll by providing your email address or mobile phone number. This will be used to receive and send money, so make sure it is accurate and up to date. You will then receive a verification code to confirm your enrollment. After you have enrolled, you can start sending money to friends, family, or anyone else with a U.S. bank account. To do this, select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. You will then need to enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if you want to include a description of the payment. You can also request money from others using Zelle. To do this, select the Request Money option and enter the sender's email address or mobile phone number. You will then need to enter the amount you are requesting and add a memo if you want to include a description of the request. It is essential to only use Zelle to send money to people you know and trust, as transactions are typically instant and cannot be reversed. You should also be cautious when receiving requests for money, as scammers may try to trick you into sending them money. In addition to sending and requesting money, you can also use Zelle to split bills with friends or family. This can be especially useful when you are out with a group and need to divide a bill evenly. To do this, select the Split Bill option and enter the amount of the bill and the number of people you want to split it with. Zelle will then calculate each person's share and send them a request for their portion. Overall, using Zelle in Capital One is a quick and easy way to send and receive money. By following these steps and being mindful of the potential risks, you can take advantage of the convenience and speed of Zelle to simplify your financial transactions.